So, I have a rant. It's been a long time since I've done a rant, but I have to rant about this because, oh, it's bothering me. Girls, I thought we were supposed to be really neat and orderly and, you know, polite and nice and classy. Girls are dirty as poop. I have walked into the girls' bathroom on several occasions, and it's like I walked into a garbage can. There's dirt in the sinks, blood on the toilet seats, toilet paper hanging out of the toilet that is not flushed, writing of "see you next Tuesday" on the stall. Acronyms just make the actual word C, the letter C. It's a bad word. And you're writing it all over the thing. Also, another thing about bathrooms. Everybody poops. I poop, you poop, everybody poops. Okay, now that that's covered. When you're walking into a bathroom and somebody goes, "Ew, why does it stink in here?" That's when I go, it's a bathroom. And then they have the nerve to go, "Well, maybe they shouldn't poop here." First of all, I can't take you seriously when you say the word poop when you talk like that. Secondly, it's not like there's a sign on the outside of the bathroom that says, "Hi, I'm a bathroom. Here's a catch though. You are not allowed to poop in the toilet." Anyways, I figured I'd rant about that a little bit only because I'm really sick and tired of going into a dirty bathroom. And I'm sure a lot of other people agree with me. Another thing that I need to rant about is math class. Hannah Ganeem, you asked me to rant about math, and I'm doing that because I hate math. It all started off easy. 9th grade, it was just, you know, basic algebra. You had equations like this. Add 4, and then you divide by 2, you get 2. X equals 2. I really enjoyed 9th grade math because that was super easy. But the thing is the complicated stuff was easier to me than the simple stuff. When we got into box and whisker plots, I was like, what's a box and whisker plot? Yeah, I got extra credit for that little thing there. 10th grade came along. You add shapes to math, and my self-esteem falls off a cliff. The only reason I passed 10th grade math was because a teacher, whom you all know, worst teacher in the school, starts with an N, the last name, was because I was on a ski team 10th grade, and because he's a ski team coach, not for high school, but for the Team USA, he passed me. Everybody in his class cheats, and he doesn't even give a poop. Anyway, I don't really remember much of 10th grade math, you know, geometry, because I don't remember anything. The only thing I remember are proofs and how terrible I was at them. I would copy a lot of people just to copy them because I didn't want to do proofs. Who wants to do proofs? And then came 11th grade. The worst thing ever, imaginary numbers. We already have a bajillion numbers, okay? Why the F would you go in and put an imaginary number and then make us solve for that? Does that make any sense? You're gonna give us an entire chapter on something that doesn't even exist. The square root of -1 is I for imaginary. Well then how about we just don't take the square root of -1 and call it good? Can I imagine that I got an A+ in this class? Is that okay too? Because that would be friggin' awesome. Math is already difficult. Go in and throw in imaginary numbers. How do you get marked wrong on something that's fake? Do you ever think about that? I'm pretty sure I failed my test on imaginary numbers. But then I was like, how can you fail me on something that doesn't exist? And now that I'm a senior, Things are getting slightly easier again because we're getting back into the basics, but now we're doing a bunch of stuff on the unit circle. If anybody knows what that is, it's deaf. Like, it's not super difficult, but I just don't particularly care for it. I miss adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. Whatever happened to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally? Anyway, I passed all my classes with above a D, so I can't really complain too much. Yeah, that's pretty much all I had to rant about. It wasn't really a funny rant, as it usually is, but I'm pretty sure that a lot of you that would watch this, and hopefully you do watch this, a lot of you that watch this understand me, and hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna make another one soon, and it's gonna be funny, and I'm gonna make you laugh a lot. Okay, this is really short, but okay. Bye.